Hi guys, it's Angie with Fun Endeavors Tie-Dye Lab. Today I've made a quick video showing some of the Grateful Dyes dye colors that I have. These were made using fiber reactive dyes purchased from Grateful Dyes, which is a company out of Colorado. I don't have a whole lot of their dyes, but the ones that I do, I really like. They actually have some of my favorite purples. I love the True Purple, the True Violet, and Royal Purple is probably one of my favorite purples of all time. I have liquid dyed swatches for some of the colors, and for other colors I only have the ice dyed swatches. By the way, I placed the dye over the top of the ice for the ice dyed swatches. I hope you've enjoyed watching the video for my Grateful Dyes color swatches, and if you have, I would appreciate it if you would like the video and if you'd subscribe to my YouTube channel. If you'll hit the bell, you'll receive a notification whenever I upload a new video. Thank you all for watching, and hope you have a great day.